The Igbo King in Ghana has come out to clarify that he wasn't the only one who took off his crown to greet the Ashanti Hine of Ashanti during his visit to the Queen Mother's burial at Kumasi. He made it clear that it was a sign of respect in the tradition and culture of the Igbo people. But some Ghanaian bloggers are twisting everything, making it look as if the Igbo King in Ghana was humiliated. Let's get this straight. Igbo kings don't bow to anybody, period. Whether you are Otumfua, Abi Otumfuo, Oni, or even King of England, give no to. A true Igbo king stands tall. That's who we are. But Eze Chukwudi showed maturity. He humbled himself to respect their customs. That's diplomacy, not humiliation. I understand why Eze Chukwudi humbled himself and removed his crown to pay obeisance to the king of Ashanti. If he had pulled a show like the called Igbo man at the event, these Ashanti people will still shout he's disrespecting their Otumfo Abi Otumfo. Now he had done the needful. Why the lies and unnecessary attention on the Igbo king? Why? You guys are rather shameless. And the funniest part, instead of focusing on mourning their queen mother, all eyes are on the Igbo king. Like, is he as a Chukwudi that died? I'm asking you guys, why is he the highlight of your burial? Y'all are restless because the Igbo man stole all the attention. The obsession is real. The spiritual sleepless nights when they get like this. So I swear, Eze Chukwudi is living rent-free in their heads. And honestly, it's sweet to watch. The more they try to drag him, the more his relevance skyrockets. Fear to shameless propaganda. Eze Chukwudi, whether they like it or not, has become the main character in the Ghana 21st century post-independence story. And you know what? You guys can't stop talking about him, and trust me, he will continue pressing your neck until you will learn to respect and tolerate others. Our own Ezogo one of Accra, Ghana. Nothing do you.
Most of all the kings I've visited, Kofrodia King, ran Ghana, that is what everybody knows me for. That humility, that respect to my elders and to the kings, that I submit to your authority. I also display the same culture of Igbo, because Igbos, our culture is all about humility. Our culture is all about respect. Our culture is all about, being humble to elders, and I display that humility before the whole world. And a lot of people are applauding us for that because that is our trademark. And after that, we bowed and we left. We hesitated. And nobody denied me. There was nothing like deny. The king has never ever denied me of not having a handshake with him. And it's not everybody that go there had a handshake with the king. Hundreds of kings that came there, hundreds of king mothers, hundreds of great men and women that came there. It's not all of them. I had a handshake with the king. But I'm so surprised. A couple of minutes after that, the news stories from some Ghanaian bloggers was the king denied having a handshake with me, that the Misha Palace disgraced me, that the Misha Palace didn't allow me and all that. This is 100% lies and a fallacy from bloggers that are looking for content. It's 100% lies. Nothing like the kingdom disgracing me or denying me. No. Number 3, bloggers are looking for money from internet. Sometimes they give wrong information for them to get followers. Number 2, I've been watching so many bloggers putting my picture on their stories. When I listen to the story from beginning to end, they will not even say anything about me, but just my picture is there. So apparently, they're using my picture to get followers. So right now, the new name I tag to the bloggers they are my promoters. They are my agents. And they are my, they do free advert for me using their internet and using their whatever to do free advert, because I didn't do anything wrong. I did. Now if I cough, they'll say you cough too much. If I tell somebody good morning, they say Ezebo twisted the good morning. Why can't you just say good morning like that? I throw my hand, they say he's insulting people. So to me, I'm enjoying it. To me, I'm not disturbed about that. To me, I am not blaming nobody. To me, I don't see it that they know what they're doing. For Christ told Father in heaven, forgive them for they don't know what they're doing. So I thank them for promoting me and making me more popular.